Hey, I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com on Tuesday, August 19th, and I want to draw your attention back to JCP. I've been featuring this regularly. I'm not going to presume whether you saw it or not, but I was on Jim's show, Mad Money, a couple weeks ago talking about this as one that you should buy before earnings even, because I had a pretty steep projection of about 15 bucks, and I just want to go through this. And this is why. Because I know traders. I've been working with traders for decades, for a long time. And traders are almost by definition stricken with ADD. I think I've never met anyone who, I shouldn't say never, but let's just say you probably have ADD. If you disagree with me, it's probably because your attention drifted during the first part of what I said, and so you don't remember what I started talking about. What I'm saying is that it's easy to lose track of this stock, but the point that I was making in covering it was this head and shoulder pattern. Left shoulder, head, really like a right shoulder with a line drawn. We'll draw it there. The difference is about $5 between the bottom here at 5 and really this neckline at about 10. So you add $5, we'll call $10 the resistance level. You add $5 to this and you get an upside price target of 15 bucks, and that's about 50% above where this stock is now. I'm pretty much sticking with that price target. It's not, I didn't look at a stupid balance sheet or an income statement. I'll leave that for other guys who, are a lot smarter than me but don't trade. They'll tell you about all that kind of stuff. But what I'm telling you is this stock ultimately moves higher, but it's on a weekly chart. And so don't look for 11 bucks by Thursday. Maybe it'll happen. Don't look for 11 bucks though. Don't look for 12 bucks in October. Maybe that'll happen too. But this is a multi-month pattern, so you have to give this multiple months in terms of your expectation to hit 15 bucks. But I do think that's where it's going, and I do think that what you want to be doing is using a trailing stop if you can, or just buying in tranches. Buy a little bit to begin with and then buy a little more when the stock is moving in your favor, and then that way you get involved, but you're not taking a big position until you're profitable in your little position. So anyway, hope that helps. Members, over to the strategy session. Got a lot of stocks with some very specific instructions as far as buying or selling. Also, to the freebies, I am not going to be around next week, so you're not going to see any free chart videos here. I take a vacation every quarter, and next week is that time.